Question 17. The three circles in the diagram have the same centre and have radii 3 centimetres, 4 centimetres and 5 centimetres. What percentage of the area of the largest circle is shaded? So I'm going to draw out a small circle, a medium circle, and a large circle. In fact, I'm going to make that large circle just to look a little bit bigger. We know that the radii are 3, 4, and 5. And the area of a circle formula is pi multiplied by radii squared. So pi multiplied by 3 squared is the same as 9 pi, 4 squared, 16 pi, 5 squared. To find that shaded area there, we need to take the shaded area and we need to take out, we need to cut it out like we're cutting out a donut. So we've got the shaded area, subtract the little circle in here, which gives us 7 pi. So this is the shaded area. And we want to know the percentage shaded equals the shaded area divided by the big circle. Shaded area is 7 pi. The big circle area, 25 pi. The pi's cancel out, which means that we're left with 75, 25. And to convert that into a percentage, what we do is go, well, actually, we need an equivalent fraction. %, which is C. Step by step, work out what you need for the question. What's the shaded area? What's the big circle area? And then you're looking at its percentage shaded area over big circle area here.